Hey everybody! In today's video, we are going to fix the issue if your touchscreen is not responding. So you may just go and try out this method and you should be having a touchscreen back again, so you can just go and do so. So we can force restart our phone. For that, you can hold the power button for about 30 seconds and press and hold the power button and volume button down simultaneously until the device restarts. That should give you a clear minor software glitches. That should often clear such kind of minor software glitches. Also check for updates. So within your device, head over to settings, and once you are headed to your settings, look out for the operating system. So look out for software update and tap on it, and within there look out for the update. So if there's any kind of update available for your following application, you need to go ahead and install the latest update that should also fix the issues, including the bug issues that may be causing such kind of touchscreen flickering or any other issues. Also, you can check your storage. So the thing is, you need to make sure that your device has sufficient storage space. Low storage can cause performative issues, so you need to delete the unnecessary files if needed. So for that, you can install the unnecessary app, hold it up, and look out for the install option and tap on it and confirm it up. Also, for any other kind of folder that are unnecessary, you can just delete it because those can cause performance issues. So you can delete those files if needed. Also, reset your device. So you can reset your whole device. So for that, go to your settings and open it up and look out for the search and just go over and type in reset. Or you can go to general management and find it up and tap on this option called reset. And once you tap on reset, you will be finding option to reset. So tap on reset and you just need to confirm the option of reset all settings and confirm it up. That should uh, probably fix the issue, and see if that fixes the issue. Usually regarding the software issues, that should probably fix it if you do so, but you need to go ahead and install each and every applications once again or anything else. And if the problem still persists after trying these steps, there might be a hardware issue, and you should probably seek professional repair. That should only fix the problem. So we hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.